Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to learn quadratic equations exercise number 3 question number 6. So here is a very interesting question. So the question is the diagonals of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than shortest side. If the longer side is 30 meters more than shorter side, find the sides of the field. So in the question he was saying that the diagonal of a rectangular field was 60 meter more than its shortest side. So for example, it is a rectangular field. Okay. So this is the diagonal. So what is the shortest side in the rectangle? Is nothing but breadth. Here the diagonal is 60 meter more than its breadth. Let it be x. So it becomes x plus 60. So one more condition is given. The longer side is 30 meter more than its shorter side. Longer side is 30 meter more. So it becomes x plus 30. Okay. Now here, let length of shorter side is equal to some x meters. So shorter side is nothing but breadth. So now the length of diagonal is equal to x plus 60. Why? Because it is 60 meter more than shorter side. Length of longer side that is equal to x plus 30. Okay. So now we have to find the dimensions of the rectangular field. We have to find the dimensions. So question is very simple and very easy. So now we will solve the question. So solution. Just you see here the diagram. So this is x. This is the diagonal. This is x plus 30. So here it is forming a right angle triangle. So this is the hypotenuse. This is the opposite side. This is the adjacent side. So we know that in a right angle triangle, in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. So we have this identity. So here hypotenuse is nothing but x plus 60. Whole square is equal to opposite is x. Adjacent is nothing but x plus 30. Okay, x plus 60 whole square. It is looking like a plus b whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. Right side x square. This is also looking like a plus b whole square. X square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now here. So x square, this is 2 into x into 60 is nothing but 120x. 60 square is nothing but 3600. 60 into 62 times. So right side you see x square plus x square. 2 into x into 30 is nothing but 60x. So 30 square is nothing but 900. So now you bring all terms to one side. X square plus 120x plus 3600 minus x square minus 60x minus 900 is equal to 0. Okay, now we see here plus x square minus x square is going to cancel. So first you write the terms of x square, that is minus x square. So just you see here 120x minus 60. 120 minus 60 is nothing but 60. So plus is greater. 120 is greater. It is having positive sign. Keep that plus symbol here. 3600 minus 900. So we have to subtract here 3600 minus 900. 0, 0. So just you see here, it is not possible. Take borrowing 16. So you will get 7 here and this is 2. Plus 2700 is equal to 0. So finally we are getting minus x square plus 60x plus 2700 is equal to 0. So minus x square plus 60x plus 2700 is equal to 0. So we have to find the roots. So I am using formula method to find out the roots. Formula method is the best method and simple method to find out the roots of a quadratic equation. So just you see here. So it is in standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here the value of a is nothing but minus 1. Value of b is nothing but 60. C is nothing but 2700. So quadratic formula. Okay. X is equal to minus b plus r minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is the formula we have. Now we substitute the values. Minus b minus 60 plus r minus under root b square, that is nothing but 60 square, minus 4ac, 4 into a is nothing but minus 1. Here c is nothing but 2700 by 2a, 2 into minus 1. So minus 60 plus r minus. So 60 square is nothing but 3600. 60 into 62 times. So you will get it 6 6 is 36 and 2 zeros, 3600. So here you multiply 27 and with 4. Okay, 4 sevens are 28. 4 2s are 8 plus 2. So 108, 2 zeros are there. So 10,800. So add this 3600 here. 0, 0. Here you will get 4. Here 1. 144. 2 zeros. So just you see here. Minus 60 plus r minus. We are getting here 14,400 by minus 2. Minus 60 plus or minus, you write this is 144 into 100. Okay, by minus 2. Just to see here, 144 into 100. So split the root for 100 separately, for 144 separately. Square root of 12 is nothing but 12 square is nothing but 144. 10 square is nothing but 100. Square and root gets cancelled. Square and root gets cancelled. You will get 120. So x is equal to minus 60 plus or minus 120 by minus 2. One time you take plus 120. Another time you take minus 120. X is equal to minus 60 plus 120 by minus 2. X is equal to minus 60 minus 120 by minus 2. So here 120 minus 60 is nothing but 60 here by minus 2. To 1 time to 30 times. So I am getting negative 30. So don't take this negative value. Why? Because length it should not be negative. Minus 60 minus 120 together minus 180 by minus 2. Minus minus cancel. 2 1 time. 2 90 times is 80. Therefore length of shorter side is nothing but 90. So length of diagonal is nothing but x plus 60. So that is 90 plus 60. That is 150. Okay. And he was saying that longer side, length of longer side, that is x plus 30. So 90 plus 30 is nothing but 120. So therefore the length of shorter side is 90 meters, diagonal 150 meters, and longer side is 120 meters. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Share this information with your friends.